In this video, I am going to show you how to install apps on any smart TV without using Downloader. First, make sure your smart TV is connected to the internet and powered on. Begin by navigating to your smart TV's home screen. From there, go to the App Store specific to your smart TV brand. This could be the Google Play Store for Android TVs, the Samsung Smart Hub for Samsung TVs, or the LG Content Store for LG TVs. Once you're in the App Store, you can browse through categories or use the search function to find the app you want to install. If you know the name of the app, type it into the search bar and select it from the results. After selecting the app, you'll be taken to its information page. Look for an Install or Download button and click on it to start the installation process. The app will begin downloading, and this may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Once the installation is complete, you can find the app either on your home screen or in the My Apps section. To launch the app, simply navigate to its icon and press the OK button on your remote. If the app you want isn't available in your smart TV's App Store, you can try accessing it via a web browser on your TV if available. Enter the app's official website and see if they offer a web version or a way to download the app directly. For smart TVs that support screen mirroring, you can also use your smartphone or tablet to cast apps to your TV. Just make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and follow the screen mirroring instructions specific to your TV. And that's it. You can now install apps on your smart TV without needing Downloader. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.